Grain cocktail hour. First, Alnatura Millet, German-grade golden hearse. Fancy. Then brown grain. Then more brown grain. Then a little hand mix, because my fingers know the recipe. And of course, Coca-Cola is watching from the corner. Supervising, judging, as always. And there it is! Pouring water from a Coca-Cola bottle onto my grain. Coca-Cola, we are now at the grain soaking stage of integration. Your bottle is officially part of the cultivation pipeline. From substrate prep to Brunhilde refills to grain hydration. Call me Atlanta. Watch the grain soak. Watch the bubbles rise. Watch a man slowly lose his sponsorship dignity. Meet Mistra, my spider farmer humidifier, piping life straight into Atticus. She's the lungs of this operation. Behave today, Mistra. Don't betray me like Brunhilde. Atticus vitals, CO2, 912, 21 degrees, 82 humidity. He's breathing. He's alive. My beautiful aliens! Enoki, colonized. Horizontal slit ready to fruit. Chestnut, thinking about it, lazy boy. And the Rishi, my big son, shelf fruiting like a king. Look at that crown. That's my boy. Wait, look at this. One swipe of the Enoki bag, my finger is brown. That's spores. That's mushroom spores. And now the Rishi cap. Look at my fingers! Covered, caked. My big boy have been releasing spores all over Atticus. Beautiful. Terrifying. I should probably clean this. Grain shower time. Drained in a colander, over a cut-up bottle, on my balcony. This is what professional mycology looks like, allegedly. My beautiful son, lion's mane with grains, inoculated 3 months ago, colonizing like a champion. Look at this density. White mycelium, aggressive, hungry, eating every grain in sight. He's almost ready, my boy.